Yes, good evening, everybody. We've just completed a franchise development workshop for our global client based out of Uganda in Africa. Yes, at Sparkle Minds, we are working very closely with a large number of international clients, and this is one of our clients based out of Africa in Uganda. And with me is the founder of a very exciting company called the Cradle. They're leaders in the child care space in Uganda. And with me is the founder of the company, Manuela. Manuela, I'll straight away go to you and ask you as to whether all your queries have been cleared and what has been your key takeaways from this franchise development workshop. And then we'll go one by one to every team member in terms of what has been their key takeaways from this particular activity. Over to you, Manuela.
My main questions starting were, are we franchisable? Are we equipped to be franchisable? And do we know our next steps? I feel that you've given us the three things that help us know whether or not we are franchisable. And from the looks of it, yes, we are. Are we equipped to be franchisable? I think you've been able to give us what we need. I mean, having the financial model, the marketing model, the training model, and obviously the fact that even with knowing the next steps, you're going to give us you're going to share with us that document, the recommendations document. I'm feeling more equipped, I think, and more confident. Obviously, with you walking beside us, that will be easier. Hopefully, we should be able to do this. Yeah. Over to you, Patricia.
Great. Yes, Patricia. Over the day, we've discussed a lot of things. You also had a lot of questions that you put across in this particular workshop. Is everything clear to you? And what has been your key takeaways from this particular exercise?
Everything is now clear. I think my takeaway is that professionalism is a must if we are to go away with franchising. Whatever we do, we have to be really, really professional from that start. Basically that's what was my key takeaway. Thank you.
Yes, being structured, being professional, being organized is very critical for franchising success. We'll go to Monica now, please. Please go on.
Thank you so much. My today's takeaway was the meeting. Actually, you were able to clarify what our role is in the franchising and the support that they will need from us. Yeah,
support is a very critical aspect of franchising, and setting the right support systems can ensure that the franchisees succeed. Great. We'll go on to the next. Okay, so I think while Agnes gets ready, is Larry there?
Monica, please mute. We can hear what you're saying. Larry, please come on. Because they're using their phone, sometimes it can be a bit challenging. Britta?
Yeah, Britta can start.
Yes, thank you so much. So now this session has, first of all, I had two concerns, but I laid down one, which was I had a concern about consistency in terms of quality, and this session has assured that it's possible. Can you hear me?
Very clearly. Please go on.
Yeah. This session has assured that it's possible to maintain the consistency. It's about the franchisor laying down the strategies in place to maintain that. And then also another thing I've taken away is that franchising success goes beyond just signing franchisees. It's about building like strong operational and legal financial frameworks that protect the brand and also support scalability. So the session has highlighted how critical it is to anticipate the legal risks early enough and then standardize the processes and ensure that the financial model.
I think we lost her in between, but I'm glad.
I think we break.
Yeah, but I'm glad that Britta brought this point out very clearly that, franchising goes beyond signing. You need to go way beyond just signing a franchisee and supporting the franchisees for them to become successful. So I think that's a very good takeaway that you've got with you, Brita. And of course, the other 2 points that you put in very clearly to be able to. Yes, Brita, do you want to continue?
No, I don't know where you lost me, but I think I'm done.
Oh, okay. So let's go on to Larry from here. Larry, can you come in?
I'm driving right now, but my key takeaways are the allocation of funds, especially the 5% of the gross revenue for the marketing, has been a standout for me, basically.
Great. I won't hold you here much longer because you're driving. We'll straight away go to Agnes. Agnes, what are your feedback from this workshop? You've been involved in this, and you did bring in a lot of points. So please give us your, thoughts on this workshop and your key takeaways.
You've muted.
Yes, Agnes, you're live. Please go on.
Yes.
Thank you so much. The session has helped me to align my expectations, and so it will help our transition with confidence, and I believe we shall move forward properly. Thank you.
Great. Manuela, I'm very impressed with the team that you have on hand. You've got a wonderful set of people working alongside with you. And I'm very confident that, once we align the responsibilities, we've discussed a lot of things today. And with this team, I'm very sure you can make the Cradle one of the biggest brands in the African subcontinent, at least to start with. So let's get started with franchising. I'm very excited in helping you, in supporting you to get to your mission and to get to your goal of becoming the #1 brand in the subcontinent for this particular reason. Thank you so much, everybody.